We live in a world awash in information. It's overwhelming. How do we find exactly what we need precisely when we need it? The answer lies in the power of the prompt. Google, the information giant, has developed powerful AI systems that respond to our requests. These requests, phrased as prompts, are the key to unlocking a new world of information. By mastering the art of Google prompting, we can navigate this ocean of data with ease and precision. Gone are the days of sifting through endless search results. Google prompting allows us to engage directly with AI. We ask questions in natural language, we make requests. The AI listens, understands, and delivers. This conversational approach to information retrieval is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. It's intuitive, efficient, and empowers us to find exactly what we're looking for. But the power of prompting extends beyond simple information retrieval. It allows us to control and customize our digital experience. We can use prompts to set reminders, send messages, and control smart devices in our homes. The possibilities are endless. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the power of the prompt, opening up new avenues for communication, creativity, and problem-solving. Mastering Google prompting is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of Google's AI-powered tools and navigating the information-rich world we live in. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of Google prompting, equipping ourselves with the knowledge and skills to harness its full power. At the heart of Google's prompting power lies sophisticated artificial intelligence. This isn't just about algorithms matching keywords, it's about genuine understanding. Google's AI is trained on massive datasets of text and code. This allows it to interpret the nuances of human language. It deciphers intent, not just words. Consider a simple question. What's the weather like in Paris? A basic search engine might just look for those keywords on weather websites. Google's AI goes further. It understands that Paris refers to the city in France, not Texas. It recognizes that you're asking for a current weather report, not historical data. This deeper understanding is powered by natural language processing, or NLP. This branch of AI focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. Google's NLP models are constantly evolving, becoming more adept at understanding context, sentiment, and even humor. This ensures that your prompts are met with relevant and accurate responses. But Google's AI goes beyond just understanding language. It also learns from your interactions. It remembers your past searches, preferences, and even your location. This allows it to provide increasingly personalized and helpful results. This partnership with AI is what makes Google prompting so powerful. It's like having a personal assistant who understands your needs and anticipates your requests. As AI continues to evolve, this partnership will only deepen, making our interactions with technology more intuitive and efficient than ever before. Google prompting isn't confined to a single search bar. It's integrated into a vast ecosystem of tools and services. Each one leverages the power of AI to enhance your digital experience. Let's explore some of the key players. Google Search, the foundation of it all. While seemingly simple, Google Search is constantly evolving, incorporating AI to understand complex queries and deliver precise results. Google Assistant, your voice-activated companion. From setting reminders to making calls, Google Assistant uses prompts to manage your daily tasks and provide information on demand. Google Lens, the AI-powered visual search tool. Snap a picture of a landmark, a product, or even a handwritten recipe, and Google Lens will provide relevant information and actions. Google Maps, navigation powered by AI, get real-time traffic updates, explore nearby restaurants with Google's recommendations, and even share your ETA with friends. All through the power of prompts. Google Translate. Breaking down language barriers, translate text, websites, and even real-time conversations using AI-powered translation services. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As Google continues to innovate, we can expect even more tools and services that leverage the power of prompting. This interconnected ecosystem creates a seamless and intuitive user experience, whether you're searching for information, managing your day, or exploring the world around you.